Why is Japan having earthquakes? Today, that's our topic. Japan experiences frequent earthquakes due to its location within the Pacific Ring of Fire, a seismically active zone where multiple tectonic plates collide. Specifically, Japan lies at the intersection of four major plates: the Pacific, Philippine, erosion, and North American plates. The movement and interaction of these plates, particularly the subduction of the Pacific plate beneath Japan, generates significant stress and strain, leading to frequent seismic activity. For a more detailed explanation, what is an earthquake? An earthquake can be described as the sudden intense shaking of ground. Tectonic plates. The Earth's surface is divided into tectonic plates that constantly shift and interact. Japan is located on a complex boundary where several plates converge. Subduction zones. The Pacific plate is subducting or sliding beneath the erosion and Philippine Sea plates near Japan. This process of one plate diving beneath another generates immense friction and stress. Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is a horseshoe shaped zone in the Pacific Ocean characterized by frequent volcanic and seismic activity. Japan's location within the zone makes it particularly susceptible to earthquakes, stress, accumulation, and release. The constant movement and collision of these plates lead to the accumulation of stress along fault lines. When this stress exceeds the strength of rocks, they rupture, causing an earthquake. Frequency and intensity. While Japan experiences thousands of earthquakes annually, most are minor and not felt. However, the potential for large devastating exists due to the accumulated stress in the region. Japan Trench. Japan Trench, an oceanic trench of the coast of northern Japan, is another source of earthquake. It is part of the Pacific Ring of Fire and contributes to the country's seismic activity. And also, just for kind of word meaning, the seismic means of subject to or caused by an earthquake or an earth vibration caused by something else, as an explosion. So that's meaning of seismic. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe for Deep Thoughts.